Today we're going to be installing a energy quick release and getting rid of the D&D spline quick release, so let's get into that. Okay, so first step, we're taking off the spline quick release. Just going to undo all of these. So now that we've got the spline quick release off, we're just going to tighten up the center bolt just to make sure we're still good. So that's as tight as we're getting it, which is okay. If I have to, I'll keep tightening it. It's not a big deal. So the next step is to install the bottom of the quick release, which attaches to this guy right here. It's carbon fiber. I love it. I love it. All right, so now that we got the bottom piece, we can take this and that slides on just like that. Didn't take very long, maybe about 10 minutes. We've got this back piece on now, the quick release. Just had to screw in all of these bolts. And now, there we go, no play. And all we have to do, pull that off. But now, no play. We're good.